Hi, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to tell you some mistakes and the corrections for the Annotate tool. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so mistake number 1 is not choosing the right color. Let me show you what I mean. So as you can see, our cube is right over here. So now let's go to the Annotate tool, which is right over here in the toolbar. Let's click on it just like that. Now you must be wondering, why is the color option not coming in these properties? Well, that's simply because we haven't drawn our Annotate yet. So let's draw our Annotate. I want to draw a circle. Just like that. Wow! So now, as you can see, an annotation property has showed up in the properties that we last time checked. So let's click on the color option and I want to put, let's say, green. Wow, that looks really good. Okay, so mistake number 2 is not drawing the right shape. Let me show you what I mean. As you can see, our cube is right over here. Do you remember in the previous lesson, which is about challenges and solutions? In challenge number 2, I have told you to draw a square around the cube, right? So to do that, you would go to the toolbar right over here. You would click and hold on the Annotate icon to go to the Annotate polygon, just like that. And next, you would draw a square just like this, right? But when you're drawing the square, make sure that you're not mistakenly drawing like a diamond, something like this, or you might draw other shapes. So make sure to draw the right shape. Mistake number 3 is not setting the right thickness. Let me show you what I mean. As you can see, our cube is right over here. So now, let's go to the polygonal Annotate tool, which is right over here in the toolbar. Just like that. So now, let's draw a quick square. Just like that. So now, what would we do to change the thickness? We would go to the properties right over here and find the thickness option, right? But you must be wondering, why is it not showing up? Well, it's simply because we haven't clicked on the arrow icon, which is right over here. So let's click on it. And there we go. You can see a thickness option has showed up. Let's change it from 3 to, let's say, 15. Just like that. That looks really thick, right? So that's it for this lesson. I will see you in my next lesson.